Alright, we want to find this limit as x approaches negative 9. We can see already that we cannot plug in negative 9, so we need to do something, which in this case we're going to multiply by the conjugate. So that means the opposite, 8 plus square root of x squared minus 17 over 8 plus square root of x squared minus 17. So up top, we're going to square the first one, so 8 squared, 64. And then when we square what's under the square root, we get rid of the square root. Just be careful because we're going to distribute this negative sign so you don't lose that. And then the bottom, x plus 9 times 8 plus square root of x squared minus 17. Well, we still see that we cannot do anything here, meaning that I cannot plug in negative 9. So what I'm going to do is actually go ahead and take 64 minus a negative 16. So what's going to happen up top, I'm going to have this minus x squared, and then I'm going to end up with this, so I have this negative and a negative, which is going to give me a positive 17. So I'm going to take 64 plus 17, which is 81. But now notice in this case, because I have my negative outside, I put my negative there. And then I still have all this junk at the bottom. I don't feel like rewriting them. So I have the limit as x approaches negative 9. Notice the top, the x squared minus 81, is the difference between squares. So I have x plus 9, x minus 9. And then on the bottom, I have this x plus 9, and then 8 plus square root of x squared minus 17. Well, now I'm home free because that's going to cancel. And since that cancels, I can now plug in my negative 9. So I'm going to have this minus negative 9 minus 9 over 8 plus negative 9 squared minus 17. So up top, I'm going to have negative 9 minus 9, which is negative 18, and that negative out front is going to give me a positive 18. Then on the bottom, I'm going to have 8 plus the square root. Well, that's going to give me 9 squared, which is 81, minus 17, which is the square root of 64. So I get 18 over 8 plus 8, or 18 over 16. And I could probably divide out, I don't know, a 2. And that gives me 9 over 8 as my answer.